In this video, we are going to see how we can prevent the users from deleting the browsing history or the download history in Microsoft Edge. So this is a pretty interesting topic. And without further ado, let's get started with this video. So guys, what you need to do is just go to the start menu and right here, reg edit. This is for the registry editor. Click on that, click yes. And just remember guys, before making any changes, especially to the registry editor, we click on the file menu and we hit export and save it to a good location where you can restore it easily. And you can keep any file name, but I always prefer to keep the file name in such a way that you can remember that easily, that it is before making this particular change. So you hit enter and you save it like this. And after that, you can import whenever something goes wrong. So with this said, let's see further what you can do. So what we will do is we will click on HKey local machine folder, extract the software folder, and then let's search for the policies. Here is policies. Open this up, and from here we select Microsoft folder and then extract this. And we already do have Edge, so we will click on that. So the overall path should be like this: computer, HKey local machine, software, policies, Microsoft, and then Microsoft Edge. So if you don't have any folder like Microsoft Edge, you do not have that. So you just right click on the Microsoft folder, select new and select key, and then you can create that folder with the same name. So once we have this, we click on this and we can click on main, or you can keep it and create the condition on the Microsoft folder itself. I'll create it on main. We'll just right click here, select new and dword 32-bit value. That's what we will select. And we will write it exactly like this: allow deleting browsing history. So make sure each word is starting with a capital letter and then all small, and there should be no spaces. So this means you have to follow exactly the same spelling, exactly the same spaces, and whatever I have mentioned. Hit enter, open this up, and it will show you this dialog box. And allow deleting browsing history, it says. So if you don't want to allow that, it should be 0. And if you want to allow that, it should be set to 1. Close out of here, close it, and then you just restart the browser and restart the Windows to make it effective. And that is pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.